Hello students, welcome to SR Capital YouTube channel. In this video, you will discuss about the government. In this video, we will discuss what is government and why we need it. That in India, we have government at three levels about different forms of government. There are many rules and regulations that we follow at school. Why do you think rules and regulations are so important? Just like the rules and regulations in your school, our society also needs laws to be enforced for its smooth functioning. These laws are enforced by the government. The government is a body or agency which is responsible for taking decisions for the welfare of the country and its people. Every country has its own government which governs the country and provides different facilities for its citizens. Levels of government. Imagine an entire school of 2000 students being run by a principal alone and no one to assist him. Will the principal be able to do justice to the task instructed to him, which is providing education to all the students? There would be several issues that she or he would have to solve beside teaching. A better way to tackle the situation is to divide the task among various people answerable to him, like a vice principal, teachers, peons, bus staff, office staff, etc. Similarly, the government generally has a vast territory to look after and it has to take decisions on every possible issue. It becomes difficult for the government to operate from a single point. In India, the task of governance is divided at three levels: the national or central level, the state level, and the local level. The highest level of government is the central level, which relates to the entire country. The next is the state level government, which covers an entire state like Bengal or Rajasthan. The local level means the government in your village, locality, town or city. These three levels of government make it easy to govern a vast country like India. Forms of government. The government can be of different types depending upon the source from which the government derives its power. First one is democracy. If the government derives its power from the people, then this form of government is known as democracy. In a democracy, the people choose their own leader. Elections are held in which people vote and choose their representatives. Second form of government is monarchy. In a monarchy, a territory or a country is ruled by a single person, a king or a queen. Such type of government was commonly found in ancient times. The third type of government is dictatorship. It is also called an authoritarian forms of government. In a dictatorship, a person or a small group of people exercise complete control over the governance of the country. There are no elections and people play no role in governance of the country and enjoy little or no rights. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.